Propak doesn't start when the doors open.
It starts here with the machines we actually bring it to the stand.
This year, we are not showcasing concepts. We are running real equipment, exactly how it runs on production lines across East Africa.
Let's start here. On high-speed lines, small weight variations add up quickly. Giveaways, reworks, and compliance issues. This is the Nemesis checkware. It weighs every single pack in motion, no slowing the line down, no manual sampling, just continuous verification.
Now, coding. Because if coding fails, everything stops. This is the Domino AX350i. What production teams like about this one is stability. It starts clean, run consistently, and it doesn't demand constant attention. You don't want your team worried whether the code is readable or compliant. You want them focused on output. This is built for that.
And then on the labeling side, flexibility. Here is our quick label QL300, one among our desktop digital printers. If you're doing short runs, different SKUs or different artworks, outsourcing labels can really be expensive and slow down your process. This lets you print in-house full color, including white. You print what you need when you need it. No waiting weeks, no minimum pressure orders.
So that's what you're bringing to Propak. Different technologies, same focus.
If you're coming, stop by the stand, ask questions, challenge the machines, and watch them run.
Because what you see here is exactly what runs on real production floors. See it Propak.